11th activity 9. In this we'll learn how to find credit and debit using Excel sheet, and also we'll learn how to get the balance at the end of the month. So in the first column we are having the dates. So these are the dates in which income has come to the person. So in the second column we are having the income details. And the third one, the amount which is credited in the account. Then in the fourth column we are again having the dates, but these dates are for the, they are showing the they are the dates when the amount has been debited from the account. So and in fifth one we are having the details when the amount has been deducted, and the sixth one, the amount which is deducted. So what we'll do is that now if we want to do any change, say in dates, so what we'll do, just click the first one, then drag it till the end, then click on the right of the mouse and then click on format cells, and you can see here different forms are there. For example, if you want this form 14th March 2012, so click on that one and then click OK. You see the whole format has been changed. So same we can do here also. Now let's do the change again. So just select it again and then go in format cells, and whatever form you want, suppose you want this one 14032012 form, so click on that one, then OK, and you can see that the form has changed. Same way here we are having amount. Let us write the amount in we must say, suppose we want to put the rupees sign in before this one. So again what we'll do, the same thing as we have done earlier, click on the, select the whole column and then click on format cells, and then you can see here we'll go in currency. So many things are the general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, tax, special, custom. So we'll click on currency. So clicking on currency, symbol is there rupees. If suppose we do not want that one, we want any other, say the Russian currency form or dollar or any other, we can click on that one, but we want here rupees, so we'll click on that one, and you'll see that automatically it has become rupees. And not only this, in this column which we have selected, if anywhere we write say any amount, say I write 567, then you can see that as soon as we enter it, the rupee sign is there along with the amount. So this is what we can do. Same we'll do here also. So select the first one and then drag it till the end, the whole column will take, and then right click on format cells, and then here we'll go in currency, and then here none is there, so from that we'll select rupees. So this is rupees and then OK, and you can see that in the whole column everywhere we are getting the rupee symbol. Now next what we need to do is we have to find the balance. So you know how we can get balance. Balance is credit minus debit. For that, first of all we'll do the sum of all the credits. So for that we'll just write here equal to sum, then the open bracket, curved one, and from here we select the whole column, so till here. Why we are selecting till here? Because later on if you want we can add some details here, more credits we can do that one, and it will automatically give us the sum. And then we'll close this one. So same entries are here, just close the bracket, the curved one, and then press enter, and you can see that this is the total. Same we'll do here. Now what we need to do is we will get the total of all the debits. So for that we'll first of all write here equal to, then sum, SUM, this is the formula, and then the curved bracket, and from here select the first one and drag it till the end, the whole column will take, and then here, and then we'll close it and then press enter, and we are getting the total of all the debits. Now as we have seen earlier, what is, how we can get the balance? Balance is credit minus debit, so that is what we'll write here, balance equal to. So whenever you have to use any formula you have to use equal to. So we are getting here balance, so we'll write equal to, then where is our credit? Credit is here, so just we'll click on in that particular cell, so C27, then minus, we'll put minus, then we'll take the column the cell in which the debit amount is there, so select that one, then just press enter. So this will give us the balance, and you can see that if you do any change here, then that will be automatically, it will be visible in the balance as well in the total. Suppose the water bill we change from 310 to say 470, and you can see here also, as we change 470, automatically we are getting the rupee sign, and also the total has changed here now, and also the balance has changed. And now suppose we make the insurance as a rupees 0, so let us do the change in that one, and now you can see that, so the change is, as we do the change in the columns, the same change we are getting in the balance. So this is how we can make the chart of, or the table of credit and debit for any month or even for any year also. So let us do the change again here, changing to 45,000, and you can see that again rupee sign is coming automatically, and you are getting the here balance here you can see that it's coming negative. Why? Because the we are getting the credit is less but the debit is more, so that is why we have got the balance in negative. That is, there is shortfall of rupees 6,030. So let us do the sum change here. This we can change to say 25,000, and now you can see that again we are getting the balance in positive. So same way you can work it out, and this is how we have completed our activity number 9.